Hello guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can invite friends to like page on Facebook. So without further ado, let's begin. To start, go to your page. And then now right here on your page, you can see these three dots. Just tap on that. And then you can see report profile, block, search, or invite friends. Now to invite friends, just tap on invite friends. You can also choose to copy the link of your profile so that you can easily share this to your friends. But now what we're going to do is to tap on invite friends. It will then direct you here. These are now your friend's profile in which you can send your page. You can tap on select all 1000 friends to share your page. And that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.